Hello friends, you are watching Before You Buy Reviews, and today I have very special light from Tolifo lights. This is basically light for the action cameras. You can use with any kind of action camera, and this is waterproof and dimmable light. As you can see, we have one bracket here, one USB charging cable, and this is the light which you can randomly use and you can put on top of the action camera also. We have very small battery here, lightweight, and as you can see the quality of the light, this is very nice build quality. The plastic quality is very good. So this is how we open it to put the battery, or if we want to do charging. So whenever you will put the battery, the light will goes on automatically, so it tells you that the battery has been fixed properly. This is the rubber seal for waterproofing, and here we have the battery and the charging jack. The charging jack is also inside. For charging this, you have to open the back cover. The locking system is very fine. I don't think the water will go anyhow inside. You can see the light is very bright. Basically it have three modes. One is full light, then dim light, and then one SOS mode in which the lights goes on and off for some emergency alert. So this is the bracket which you put here to if you want to use it with the action camera. You can remove or put that bracket very easily. It's not too much complicated. So here we go for the charging. This is the way you put the charging cable. You have to keep it open when you are charging. So now we're gonna test for the waterproofing. I am putting this light in the water. So I will put it there for like 10 to 15 minutes. So see you again after 10 minutes. Okay, so I am back after like 10 to 50 minutes, and light is still working. So now I will show you how it will look like if you are putting it top of the action camera. So it have this screw. You have open the screw, and then you can put the action camera like this. You have to screw it back. The best thing with this screw is that this is a universal screw which comes with almost 99% of the action cameras, and this is flexible. You can change the angle of the camera, and then you can put it on your selfie stick, tripod, helmet, or head strap, hand strap, chest strap, on your bike. So here I am using a selfie stick, and now I'm putting another screw to fix it with the selfie stick. It looks very nice, and the light is also very bright. You can use it at the night also. The light throws like around something around 15 to 20 feet. The plastic quality is very good. I don't think it's gonna scratch. You have to tighten the screw so that it will not change the angle automatically. So here we go. Thank you for watching the video. uh, Please subscribe my channel, and you can come back for other reviews. Thank you so much.